If you want quick one-tap access to Chrome, I'm going to show you how to add Chrome to your home screen, or, more accurately on a Windows computer, how to pin Chrome so it stays easy to open from your desktop taskbar. This is a super simple shortcut that saves time every single day, especially if you use Chrome often for school, work, or browsing. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your computer. You can do this by searching for Google Chrome in your Start menu and launching it like normal. Once Chrome is open, look down at the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. If Chrome is already there, all you need to do is right-click the Chrome icon. A small menu will appear with a few options. From that menu, click Pin to Taskbar. That's it. When you pin Chrome to the taskbar, it stays there even after you close the app, so you can open it instantly anytime with just one click. If Chrome isn't already on your taskbar, you can open it first from the Start menu, then right-click the Chrome icon while it's running and choose Pin to Taskbar the same way. After that, you'll see Chrome stay fixed on the taskbar for easy access. This is a great way to make your workflow faster and keep your favorite browser always available. If you ever want to remove it later, you can right-click the icon again and unpin it from the taskbar. But for now, you're all set. So to quickly recap, open Chrome, right-click the Chrome icon on the taskbar, and click Pin to Taskbar. Now Chrome is easier to reach whenever you need it. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tech tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.